And good morning, Jerry here from Scroggin Networks. It's Monday, February 25th. Good day. The sun is out. I know you can't see it. There's a window over there and there's actually sunshine coming in. Yeah, I got to do some driving today. Not too much, hour and a half or so. Got to go install a Cisco router, dumping a T1 over there and turning up, I believe, MPLS. So we'll take care of that. Pretty quick cut over, get back here and do some other work we've got to do. Did some remote work over the weekend, hopped into one of my customers' servers, cut on Hyper-V, and turned up an ad blocking server for them. Yeah, I'll show you my server here. This is my server. I don't know if you can see the cursor. This orange one over here is the ad blocking server. I've got it running in a VM, so it's no fuss, no extra equipment or anything like that. And it does a good job. It's kind of a DNS replacement. So instead of using your ISP servers, you would use the ad blocking server, and it increases your privacy, kills the ads, those things that follow you around the internet stop following you around the internet, and all. So it's nice. I use Cloudflare's upstream DNS off of that, so it bypasses it. Combine in with a VPN, pretty good. I like it. I think the customer will like it. When I drive, when I do my hour drive, I call and make sure they have all the details and everything's working good and all. But I've tested it already and it's doing what it's supposed to do. So it's a fun project. Hey, if you need something for your business, your home, need some computer help, servers, workstations, wireless, cameras, things like that, give us a call at Scroggin Networks. Be happy to help you out. Have a great day.